Wake up. Wake up not from the dream, not from the deep sleep, not from the unconscious way, not from the choices that were presented. Wake up from forgetting who you are. And who you are is all that is. Ah, what a deep subject. Who you are is all that is. How is that possible? If who I am is all that is, that confines everything about the system and the matrix, everything that I've learned myself to be as a human. If I'm all that is, then who is Veronica? Who is this body? Who is this mind, this identity? All that I have acquired, who is my story? Who is my karma? Who is my DNA? Who is speaking? If I'm all that is, now that is a deep question. If you found yourself asking this question, welcome. Welcome to the family. Welcome to that frontliner of building this new world, new earth, new way of living, of perceiving, of understanding all that is. All that is. So if I am you and you are me, and I am the tree and the sun and the earth and a particle of many elements that are found in nature and beyond. Because I have a physical body, but there is the observer. There's so many parts of me that are beyond what you see here. What do I do with it? How do I process that through a human consciousness? Make sense of it and integrate that into this 3D reality. How do I wake up and still continue living the dream? Breaking free of the matrix is not really breaking free of the matrix, is simply awakening to the idea and the possibility that you might be living in the matrix. And that simple awareness, it's all that you need to reclaim your freedom. As long as you have this physical body, as long as you are buying food, then you are interacting with others and you're living in this system, you are of the matrix. But being aware of the matrix and setting boundaries, like I understand there's a matrix, but the matrix is here to serve me, not the other way around. I am not a puppet. I have conscious choosing of which matrix and which version of the matrix I choose to be in, and how I choose to perceive it, experience it, and what I choose to invest my time, my energy, my intention in. What do I choose to water and flourish? So the intention of this channelings is to become aware of the matrix and realize that you are creating what is. And you have been creating this from the beginning of time. And it's not just you as the individual, Bob, Eric, Jessica, whichever name you identify yourself to be so far. We are responsible for everything that is in our DNA, even if it was our parents, our ancestors, Adam and Eve. Let's go back, way back. We are sharing the same DNA, the same trauma from the beginning of time. We're just transferring that from generation to generation. And this is where my invitation to all of the women, females in this reincarnation, and I'm saying females because we do have an extra chakra, the men don't, which is our womb. And there resides our goddess power to alchemize, to heal, to clear trauma from the beginning of time. That invitation is for all of my women, all my females. and to begin using that power that resides in every female. And I'm seeing the day where all of us unite and then awaken this power, and then we unite it at the same time. We'll create this powerful vortex that will literally shift the world as we know it. Until that day, until that day, my invitation to you is to heal that womb. And I'll leave a link below to a program that I channeled with the goddess to heal that wound that we had from the beginning of time. So if you are a female in this lifetime and you have a womb, please join this movement, because as you heal that womb, you practically unveil the biggest tool beyond any invention, any human invention. The tool that has been, the power that has created this entire world. That's within every single one of you. So if you are a female, if you have a womb, this is a call to you to begin healing that. And if these channelings resonate with you, then follow the program that I share, or find someone that you resonate with and begin healing that wound. However, I have not found many of the protocols that I channeled in this program, in other programs, but they all have keys and pieces of that puzzle. So always follow your instinct, follow what turns you on. If my message turns you on, then great, that is the channel that is for you. If another version or personality or channel resonates with you, then go for that. But make that first step and be ready for what's to come. Because when you discover that, the power of your womb, we can talk about some real magic, real possibilities, real alchemy of the world as we know it. So this is planting a seed for all of my divine feminine to awaken to the goddess within, and for my masculine to rejoicing knowing there will be a wave of true unconditional divine feminine love awaiting to forgive you, embrace you, and welcome you back home. And that is the world that I see coming as we unite the divine feminine and masculine within ourselves and within the whole collective. Not uniting a masculine and feminine because it makes sense to the 3D world, but uniting them because at a soul level, they fit in, they turn on, they ignite each other to become the best version that they can possibly be. Those are the unions that activate me, that will change, will shift the world. That is the unions that I invite you to thrive for. Not just because something looks good to the eye or fits great on a paper, is who ignites your heart, your soul, that just drives you to just do the impossible, to dream big again, to activate, to feel like you're floating through this world, to forget to eat. Those are the divine unions that I see popping up. And there's so many talks of like soulmates and twin flames and high priestess and magi, just the ultimate connection that has, it's slowly igniting in this realm. And that's a whole nother level, way tougher than the twin flame. We'll discuss that in the months to come. I'm excited for all of us as I look forward and I see the rainbow. It makes it more magical to share these messages, even though we're bathing in the mud a little bit right now. Just knowing that the rainbow is right there, we already begin to see it, to feel it, to sense it. It gives us power and strength to go. We're so close. We're so close. So bathe in this frequency, listen to it, and allow Allow this channelings to ignite the remembrance within you. Heal that wound. And let's get ready for this new world because we have the power. It's been here all along. See you tomorrow.